Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing these LED fog lights on a 10th gen Honda Civic. They are made by Bossella and they've been given to us to review. So check it out. So on our car we're missing a couple of fasteners. There should be a fastener here and there should be a 10mm right over here. So usually you'll remove the 10mm, you'll take out this fastener, and then we have one fastener over here. Pry straight down and then pull that out. Now with the fasteners taken off, we can slide this to the back of the car and you'll have access over here. So with this panel pulled back, we have access to the fog light, which is right over here. This is the cord, so you want to pull the cord down and out. Once that's out, then you want to turn this counterclockwise. This is the bulb itself. You'll hear a click and then pull straight out. And this is the old bulb right here. As you can see, it's not an LED. Here's the new bulb over here. Let's go ahead and place it in, and then you're going to tighten it clockwise to snap it in place. All right, it's in.
Oh, it's working.
All right. Oh, it's bright.
Yeah.
So the left side is the newer, brighter, and whiter light, and the right side is the dimmer yellow light. LED, halogen. Let's go ahead and then switch this bulb out as well.
Yeah, it's bright.
Personally, I think this looks pretty dang good and should help with visibility at nighttime as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're interested in this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below for these fog lights, or H8 LED bulbs. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good afternoon.